Okay. Hello everyone. The subject is software development engineering testing. Here, first, what is the software? Software is the collection of programs, and to test that particular software, we have to that knowledge that how you are going to test. What is the definition of software testing? It is not sufficient to demonstrate that the software is doing what is it should be do. It is more important to demonstrate that the software is not doing what is not supposed to do. What does mean? If you are testing something, for example, if you are testing your mobile, you are buying your new mobile phone and you are testing that, then what are your actual requirement? That means call are coming or not, going or not. That all things are done with the help of software test. Then another definition is works constantly and predictably in software testing. The software testing also be stated as process of validating and verifying the software. Here, what is the validating? To validate something is nothing but the date and time, and verifying the data which is provided by the user is correct or not. It is verifying. Validating and verifying is nothing but the s- same two ends of the same coin. Then here is one example. uh, if you are using calculator, at that time there are certain operations in that calculator like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. At that time you have to check that your calculator is actually working or not. Here first, if you want to add something, what will be the result? Suppose I am pressing 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. That is correct result. If you want to do multiplication, that is 1 into 1 is equal to 2. That means it is wrong. Calculator is not performing operations on multiplication. Similarly for division and for subtraction. At that time you need to raise the bug. That means that these three operations are not working properly. Only one operation is working properly. The simple definition of software testing is process to finding defects, that is variance between expected result and actual result. That means what do you actually expected from that product. If you are buying a shaving machine, uh, at that time you are going to shave your hairs, but that machine is not working on your face. What is your expected result? To cut your hairs. But what machine is actually giving you? She is not doing it well. Then why to test? What is the actual aim to test? Suppose I am giving one example. If you are going to take money from your ATM machine, from your card, and you are having your password, that is 1234, and someone other is also using his ATM card and uh, taking money from ATM, suppose 1000 rupees. At that time he is getting money from your account with his password. That is duplicacy. So the need of, or you can say why to test, for defect free software. What to test? Any product, suppose pen, fan, TV. The product whichever used by end user should be tested. How often to test? Until 99% results should be true and 1% can be not true. Now who to test? Who is knowledgeable in that particular product? If you are not enough knowledgeable to test something, at that time you are not going to test anything. So you should be aware about the terminologies of testing. Then why is testing necessary? Simple. Software testing is necessary to make sure that product or application is defect free, that means error free. Testing efforts is directly proportional to complexity of the program. Yes, correct. Actually, you are going to reduce the complexity of the product. If someone is using your application and it is very much complicated to use, the end user who is not knowledgeable about any software, or you can say the computer, so if he or she is going to use it, it is mostly simple and more effective for that end user. Here example, your grandmother, grandfather, and etc. Software should be error free, efficient, and secure. That's it for the day. We will meet again. Please share, like, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.